Hi kids, ready to learn English? Is it a apple or an apple? Confusing. Don't worry kids. In today's video, we will learn a or an. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. A, E, I, O and U are vowels, and we use an before singular nouns starting with vowels. Children, now let us learn with some examples. This is a picture of an ant. So we use an ant, an aeroplane, an egg, as E is a vowel. So we use an egg. Engine, an engine. Ice cream, I is a vowel, so we use an ice cream. Igloo, it is an igloo. Orange, an orange. Octopus, an octopus. Umbrella, U is a vowel, an umbrella. So unicorn, an unicorn. Now let us go with consonants. We need to remember that A, E, I, O, U are vowels. The rest letters are consonants. We use A before singular nouns which begin with consonants. Okay children, now let us go with some examples. Here, this is a picture of a ship. So we use a before a ship. A ship, a mango, a cat, a tiger, a bat. B is a consonant, so we use A. And this is a nest, so a nest. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.